This is an ideological attack on teachers and local parental accountability. It was nowhere in any Tory manifesto. It's something that's just been dreamt up at the last minute and stuck into the budget. I want schools to be accountable to their parents and communities, not as a process of asset stripping our education facilities to be handed over to somebody else. So the first thing that's always done ahead of privatisation of any services is to attack the skilled staff. So it's about breaking national pay bargaining, expanding the use of unqualified teachers, driving down pay, driving down terms and conditions, and driving down standards. There is not a shred of evidence that academies automatically improve standards. There are very real fears about the intentions of the government and those who pay themselves exorbitant salaries to run academy chains. Now, I don't suppose there's too much love in this hall for Sir Michael Wilshaw. But he recently reported to the Education Secretary that focused inspections in 7 of the largest academy chains showed a lack of improvement and, in some cases, a decline in standards. Quite important observations. Lucy Powell, our education shadow spokesperson, spoke at your rally in London on Wednesday night to assure you that Labour will be fiercely opposing those plans. And we will. 80% of community primary schools are rated good or outstanding. Taking away local control and accountability is actually just demonstrating how hollow the Tories' policies on this area of devolution are. Cutting out local authorities will mean councils no longer have the power to ensure sufficient school places in their areas. There is a crisis in our schools now. Children are facing rising class sizes. There is a shortage of teachers, and parents already face a crisis in some places in school places. Forced academisation will do nothing to address any of those problems. Yet in Osborne's budget of over £600 million has been allocated to a needless reorganisation that has addressed not a single issue that matters to teachers, parents or pupils. So you see where the priorities are. Spending money on a reorganisation nobody wants to reduce the influence and control of local authorities in order to bring in unaccountable academies. Those are the Tory priorities. They're absolutely not ours.